Hey guys, this is Will from Crypto from Bet. I'll be looking at the cryptocurrency Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin Cash against the Bitcoin in this video. A few things I'd like to point out for Bitcoin Cash against the US dollar. As you guys can see here, since price broke through this bearish channel, you see here that price has also basically remained in this a new bearish channel since mid of April. And we can see here we saw another bullish breakout which broke through this key resistance of this bearish channel, where basically price moved to as high as $1,900. And of course we see here that price then has fallen in this bearish channel and once again has returned in this bearish channel. And we can see here a few things I'd like to point out is the fact that price has tested key support multiple times last week, as you guys can see here, where price went all the way down to 660 and I believe 650 just a few days ago. If we look closely, we see here that price quickly rebounded from key support, where we can see now that price is in a short-term pullback, where we could potentially see bounce to the upside, potentially to this key resistance, or we could see price falling back down, testing this key support again. Another thing I'd like to point out is the fact that volume is pretty high right now. We see here a lot of activity occurring, considering the fact that since the start of 2018, Bitcoin Cash volume has been extremely low, and you can see here a lot of volume, a lot of action going. And what really scares me is the fact that usually, not always, but usually when volume starts to decrease again, that's usually follows by a decrease in price. If the long-term trend remains to be bearish, then obviously a decrease in volume would most likely mean a continued decrease in price. Now let's look at Bitcoin Cash against the Bitcoin. We can see here that price, pretty much the ratio is in a pretty similar structure. We can see here that price since the start, since mid-April, price has remained this bearish channel, similar to what we see here against the US dollar. And we can see here once again price is also testing key support of this ratio. More importantly though, I believe that this could strongly be seen as a major key support here, where if price does manage to break through this major key support, this red line right here, that would be considered as extremely bearish for Bitcoin Cash against the Bitcoin. But nevertheless, the overall picture is that the ratio of Bitcoin Cash against the Bitcoin remains to be in a triangle structure. And for those of you guys who know a lot of Bitcoin Cash, you guys will know that Bitcoin Cash is pretty much superior to the Bitcoin in most ways. Although there are rumors going around about the hack about Bitcoin Cash, that still hasn't really been unveiled yet, so we don't know whether that's true, whether that's a rumor, or anything like that. But anyways guys, you can see here that price remains in a triangle structure, and once again, if Bitcoin Cash does manage to move to the upside, potentially testing this key resistance, I would definitely, I could easily see Bitcoin Cash moving up to this key resistance, similar to that of the against the US dollar. Anyway guys, if you guys do find this video useful, please give us a thumbs up, and of course subscribe for more analysis video.